Finding local maxima/minima with Numpy in a 1D Numpy array. Can you suggest a module function from Numpy/SciPy that can find local maxima/minima in a 1D Numpy array? Obviously, the simplest approach ever is to have a look at the nearest neighbors, but I would like to have an accepted solution that is part of the Numpy distro.
If you are looking for all entries in the 1D array are smaller than their neighbors, you can try. You could also smooth your array before this step using numpy.convolve. I don't think there is a dedicated function for this.
And SciPy is greater than or equal to 0.11. Produces. Note, these are the indices of x that are local max per minute to get the values. Try. SciPy.signal also provides argiomax and argiomin for finding maxima and minima respectively.
As of SciPy version 1.1, you can also use find_peaks. Below are two examples taken from the documentation itself. Using the height argument, one can select all maxima above a certain threshold, in this example, all non-negative maxima. This can be very useful if one has to deal with a noisy baseline. If you want to find minima, just multiply U input by -1. Another extremely helpful argument is distance, which defines the minimum distance between two peaks.
For curves with not too much noise, I recommend the following small code snippet. The +1 is important, because diff reduces the original index number.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.